We're getting ready for kindergarten. Let's take a look at the kindergarten readiness kits and find out what's inside. The literacy and math kits offer a hands-on learning approach with an activity guide and worksheets to make learning fun and engaging as your child embarks on their kindergarten journey. Each kit has a QR code that will take you to a video library to help you implement the kits with your child. Let's unpack the letters kit. Inside you will find upper and lowercase letters that your child can string together in ABC order. The stringing helps to build fine motor skills. Colorful double-sided alphabet cards help your child trace and write their letters and associate the picture on the card to the letter of the alphabet, B, and the letter B. The spinner card turns learning into a game. The colors on the spinner match the colors of the letters. Spin the spinner. Ask your child to identify the color it lands on, and ask your child to find all the upper and lowercase letters. Matching the color, identify the letters, and tell the letter sounds. Now, let's look inside the math kit. This kit is a treasure trove for budding mathematicians. Inside, you'll discover colorful numbers to practice number identification, number cards to help your child count how many, then flip the card to check their answer. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 3 dolphins, and the number 3. Practice writing the number by first tracing, then writing the number. Shapes will introduce your child to geometry, and shape cards help your child trace, then draw the shape. Ocean animal counters will help your child with counting and one-to-one correspondence. 1, 2. 2 dice to play math games. All the essentials to make math concepts come alive. Happy learning and best wishes as your child embarks on their kindergarten adventure. For more videos, go to palmbeachschools.org/kindergarten and happy practicing.